Fast cuts, car launching off a dirt jump, mud flying, tight landing. This thing just hit 35 miles an hour, and it hasn't even broken a sweat. Meet the RC truck built to survive everything you throw at it. Show a flimsy toy RC car breaking down, cut to this truck smashing through rocks. Most RC cars break the first time they hit a curb. This one? It's built different. Traxxas engineered this beast with extreme heavy-duty suspension components. We're talking ultimate strength, ultimate durability, built for drivers who don't hold back. Close up on motor, then a speed run shot with motion blur. Under the hood, a 12-turn Titan motor paired with an XL5 speed control. That combo, 35 plus miles per hour and acceleration that pins you back. And here's the smart part. The XL5 ESC gives you TH drive profiles. New to RC? Flip on training mode and ease in. Ready to send it? Unlock full power whenever you're ready. Slow-mo shot of shocks compressing over rocky terrain, then a big jump landing. Raw terrain, big air, hard landings, doesn't matter. The adjustable oil-filled shocks soak up every bump and stick every landing smooth. This isn't just fast, it's controlled. Show USB-C charger plugging in, battery pack close up. And you're not waiting around all day to play. It comes with an 8.4 volt 3000 mAh NiMH battery pack, PLUS a 4 amp USB-C charger, so you're charging fast and running faster. Less waiting, more driving. Show hands popping the body on slash off quickly. Broke apart mid-run? No problem. Heavy-duty clipless latches lock the body down tight during action, but pop it off in literally seconds when you need to service it. Built for people who actually USE their truck, not just look at it. Final hero shot, truck launching toward camera, freeze frame, logo. Extreme suspension, blistering speed, a ride that soaks up anything. This is the RC truck that doesn't quit, so why would you? Links below. Go get yours.
PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.